I'm Nicola Scott and I'm an Australian comic book artist. I got into the industry kind of backwards. My dream career was being an actor, and by the time I was 28, 29 and it was not happening, I decided I needed to put that creative career in a box and experiment with something else. Drawing was something that I could do, but I didn't really know how I could make a living out of it that wouldn't make me frustrated and homicidal. I started working in the sort of Australian media, doing small print comics there, doing mainly covers. And when it seemed like I'd just got the only job that was available, I came to the States and I started working for Dark Horse, Top Cow, and eventually I landed my dream job at DC Comics. The sort of most well-known titles would be Birds of Prey, Teen Titans, Superman. Wonder Woman is a big one for me because she's my favorite character of all time. And most recently I've been working on my creator-owned series Black Magic with Greg Rucka. As soon as he said witch, I was like, oh, me please. My only question to him was, how do you see the witchcraft? And he said it has to be real, it has to be dirty. And I was like, as long as it involves iron and blood and dirt and all these things. And he was like, yes, it does. And I'm like, I'm in. When I started in mainstream, there was essentially me and Gail Simone and maybe a couple of other women. But in the last 10 years in particular, that ratio has skyrocketed. There are women at every level, from creator-owned to mainstream. And that has been one of the most satisfying things, to sort of be a part of that exponential growth. My advice for people wanting to get into this industry is be sure that this is what you want to do, because as much as I love my job, I work about 8 to 10 hours a day and I generally work 7 days a week. And the most important thing is deadlines. If you miss your deadlines, you're just never going to get work again. The thing that I love most about the work that I get to do is how every day I flip over the script and something else is happening. That sort of hand in hand with being part of this community, because this community has given me so much in terms of friendship and support. I had no idea that it could open so many doors for me.